Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create or make your own website. Now with today's resources that's available to us online, creating a website is as easy as typing a few words on your browser. All you want to do is type Wix, and it should take you right here, wix.com. It's a free website builder that requires no credit card to just try it. Obviously, if you want to make your own credit card and use it, it is going to cost you money because it's going to be your website and you're going to earn a revenue from it. So Wix needs to make some sort of profit out of it. The best part is it's more like a one-time thing. So once you pay, that's about it. Okay, it's asking me to log in. I don't know what my logging is, so I'm just gonna... So over here, once you're inside, you can choose why you're creating this website. I'm just gonna choose an online store because it's gonna be an online store. And now it's gonna be an online electronics store because why not? All I want to do is press on next, and now Wix is gonna ask me for a store name. I'm gonna just type in Sandman. Actually, typing Tech Idea would have been better. So now it's gonna have chat, it's gonna have forums as well as forums, the type of things, and that's about it. And you can add even more if you want. All you gotta do is press on next, and then just go to dashboard. And once you're inside the dashboard, you can choose the type of outline you want for your browser. And once that's done, just pay Wix for the browser that you created via the help and resources they provided, and that's gonna be it. So as you can, they're even having an offer right now, which is a 50% sale, so you can always do that. Over here you got customized site. If you just want to press on it, and it's gonna take you to the editorial link. I just want to skip all that and then I want it to be a very minimalistic one, right? And then it's preparing some designs for us, and personally I like this one a lot, so I'm just gonna click on that, go next, and it's gonna have an about, FAQ, store policies, not testimonies, but support, contact, and we don't talk about the team. With that being said, our website has been created. Now all you have to do is edit the information, edit in most of the information by yourself, purchase a domain, and then basically just put in the code, the HTML code that Wix provides you in that domain or that website, and you shall have your own website. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.